Are you tired of your Mac going dark in the middle of something important? Whether you're watching a video, giving a presentation, or just reading something on your screen, that screensaver popping up can be super annoying. So in this video, I'll show you exactly how to disable the screensaver on your Mac in just a few simple steps. The first thing which we'll do is to, of course, access our MacBook settings page, and we can do that by tapping on this Apple icon at the top left of our screen. And after that, we're going to find and click on this System Settings option. When this settings window opens, you can see the screensaver option. But when we open it, you'll be able to see a bunch of different screensavers which you can select when your screen goes idle. But there is no option in here to enable or disable your screensaver, which can be pretty annoying. Apple has decided to put that option in another section. So we're going to exit this page and find this lock screen option. This is where we'll be able to customize a lot of different things related to our lock screen. But we are interested in this Start Screensaver when inactive, and it should be the first option from the top of your page. We will be able to select when we want our screensaver to start, and it can be after 5 minutes, 20 minutes, a couple of hours, and so on. But since we want to turn off our screensaver or disable it completely, then I'm going to select the Never option, and our screensaver will be turned off, and you won't have to deal with it again. If this quick tutorial helped you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want more Mac tips just like this, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out.